Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.
Okay, so here we are. Hair. Ooh, what? Okay, but so first a little bit about this hair. This is from Eullair Hair. I'll put like a little thing in the, it says how to spell it and stuff, because I don't know if I'm saying it right. But it's from Eullair Hair. It's their Indian deep wave hair, and it's a 24-inch wig, 24-inch wig. So it's combed out right now, and I just want to show you all the length first. So here we are. Remember, this is curly deep wave, so I'm going to pull it down. So it goes to like there, like the middle of my butt crack, I guess you could say. Whenever you pull it, and then like, if not, then it's like at the top of my butt. But in terms of like the hair itself, in terms of like the length, it's true to length. It's doesn't tangle too bad either. Like, especially with it being like curly deep wave hair. I wore it all day today. Didn't comb it out at all. And like, I could run my fingers through it. There would be like a few snags, but it was like a little kind of thing. But other than that, it was perfectly fine. And then in terms of shedding, I just plucked the knot, like I just plucked it a little bit. So it's just kind of bad. And then, you know, but it shouldn't be too bad because I didn't pluck that much. Okay, so this is the brush. Let's take the hair off. So this is the hair that came out. Hold on. There it is. That's the hair that came out. And then remember, like I just plucked it too. So yeah, I'm wet and stuff. Because whenever it's wet, it likes to shed a lot. But it's curly hair, so you should expect it to tangle. You should expect it to shed. You should expect all of that. But it, like I said, it does not tangle too bad. Like in the nape especially, like it does not tangle bad at all. Like it's not like matted or anything like that. It's like just a few, like I'll just run my hands through. It's like a few little snag things, but other than that, it's fine. As you can tell, like yes, it's combed out, but there's a lot of body to this hair. Like there's a lot of body. It's a 150 density. So I'm sorry about this edges thing coming down because I didn't do my edges because we finna, you know, lay it down, not lay it down, we finna style it, so I didn't do my edges. But yeah, shipping was quick. I think it was like probably like 3 to 5 days, but I think they shipped it out on a weekend. So 3 to 5 days, it's very quick. It's very quick shipping. What else? Price. Okay, this price, like I said, this is curly Indian deep wave hair. This hair was like $168. What? Yes, you heard that right. $168. Okay, $168. That's crazy. Okay. Where do you find 24-inch hair for $168? Curly hair for $168. This is super affordable. So like that's why I say like the little shedding that it does, for one, it's curly hair, and two, it's so affordable. So like who freaking cares? And then the only other thing that I would have a problem with is the knots. Like oh well, two things. The knots aren't like, they don't bleach very well at all. So I would probably have to like bleach it multiple times to try to like get it to, you know, work with me. But yeah, the knots don't bleach very well, and then there's not that much parting space either. So it's like a U and then like the edges kind of thing. That's how the parting space is. So I prefer there to be more parting space, but other than that, okay. So just to run back through it, the pros of the hair are it doesn't shed too much, it doesn't tangle a lot at all, it's super affordable, and it's so soft. Okay, it's so soft. Like, I've just been doing this all day. It's so soft. And then the cons would be that oh, and it's also true to length. That's another pro. It's true to length. But the cons would be that the knots don't bleach very well, and the parting space isn't that much. You know, there's not that much. There's not that much parting space. But other than that, I'm happy. I'm very happy with this hair. I love it. Oh my gosh, I was wanting some curly hair so bad. Okay, but now into this video, the reason that y'all are here. Get your spray bottle, Slug. And I'm gonna take the glasses off. Okay. So, first thing that we're gonna do is spray the entire head, okay? Once I like spray it, I just comb it through with the little dimming brush, because the dimming brush like moves all the water through the rest of the hair. So okay, so just to show y'all, like, this is it wet and it's still full. It's still full. Like, it's not like, you know, like 4 bundles full, but it's like, it's a good. So this is how we want our hair to stay. Correct. So Layla, come in.
No.
This is Layla.
Hey. Oh my god.
She's visiting from Arizona. Okay, so first I'm gonna do my edges.
That's my favorite part.
I take this is just mousse. Get some mousse. I usually shake mine up and then put it on my, you know, I'm just gonna put it on here first. I'll put it on my finger. And then put it on my edges. All over my edges. Oh wow. And then take my nasty little toothbrush and swoop. Boom, swoop. And that's really the only edges that I do. I'm gonna do a little something over here too. And where I just made the edge at, I just kind of cut it with my little razor comb thing. Not razor comb, but you know, a little razor thing. And then swoop it back down. Then I go over everything with some hairspray. Got to be glued spray. Just there.
Look good. You look like a whole different person. It's so nice. It looks so pretty.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm good. And then I just put this on it to make sure that everything stays down.
It's a good camera too.
Okay. So, you know, we're all laid down or whatever. So now we're gonna get into, like, you know, the actual wet look. You feel me? So, okay. Shake this up. Boom. You just kind of pat into both sides. And you just run that through the whole head. You can definitely use like Eco Styler too. Oh, make sure you get the ends because that's where it's really gonna count. Cause like the ends never wanna, like the ends always like to be dry. But you can probably use Eco Styler too. I just don't own any because I have waves. And I just happened to have the mousse because I make wigs and stuff. I like to make sure that it's like every strand of hair is coated, because if not, then it's not gonna look all like shiny and stuff like this. So make sure you get up into the roots of it. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention about this wig is it is small head friendly, and I know that that's not a thing, but if your head is really small like mine, you know that you're always crisscrossing freaking adjustable straps that, oh, it has adjustable straps too. Crisscrossing adjustable straps to make it fit your head.
That's why.
That's why it's crisscrossed like that. My friend showed my friend one of my wigs, and she's like she's wondering why the adjustable straps in the back were crisscrossed, because it doesn't fit. But this one, as soon as I put it on, like it fit well. I just put the adjustable straps on it so that it would be a little bit more snug. But it was like, it was fine, you know. So this one is small head friendly. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little wrap strip off, and here we are. And I'm gonna come back whenever it's like all dry and stuff to show y'all how it looks, you know, dry. To show y'all that like the wet look, like it comes through, like it, like even after it's not wet, it still looks wet, you know. So yeah. Okay, so what is that in my hair? So it's a little frizzy because I've been messing with my hair and touching it and stuff, but here's it dry. You see its movement, like shine, just so nice. I love this hair, I swear I do. But there you go, guys. That's how you do the wet look. And yeah, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back, oh that's clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back, oh that's clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.